Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
And welcome back to the 10x Gain Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, April 19th. It is currently 10:36 p.m. Eastern Time. XRP is coming in at $1.41. Let's dive right into today's video. Guys, we're going to start off with the charts. We do have a daily close and a weekly close coming in tonight. And if we look at the daily for Sunday, we had this red day, and we did actually close a daily below what was resistance on this broadening wedge, which is not good in my opinion. And guys, like I said a couple days ago, I said we have resistance coming in at $1.53 that we need to get above, and immediate short-term support at $1.42, and that we did not want to see a daily close below this level, as that would put us back in the broadening wedge range. And we did get a close below, and as you guys can see, coming in on the 4-hour, we closed below and we fell through all the way down to $1.39. We did pop up a little bit, and you can see we have these moving averages coming in around $1.37, $1.36. So we'll see if XRP wants to potentially hold those. But looking at the daily, guys, we need to get back above this level here, around above $1.42 on the daily as soon as possible. Otherwise, we could be heading back down to the bottom of the range around $1.20, unfortunately. And guys, as you guys can see, this is the 100-day moving average here. And as you guys can see, we came pretty close to it, but we didn't get to it exactly, and we are rolling over here. So I would like to see us at least get up to it and get above it. And then the next level is the 200-day coming in confluence with our level around $1.87. Let's dive right over into X. We got a lot going on, guys. BlackRock actually just started dumping their crypto ahead of the U.S. market open tomorrow, and they are nonstop dumping millions of Bitcoin and ETH every few minutes. Guys, let's take a listen in on this video. I guess there's nothing to play. But anyways, guys, as you guys can see, as we're zoomed in, we have the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, and they are just selling every minute like crazy. 300 Bitcoin back to back. So, guys, could we see a bloody Monday tomorrow? We've got breaking. Insiders just started massively dumping everything except oil right ahead of the U.S. market open on Monday. Every single insider is selling billions nonstop, zero buys, 1,400 sells, over 13 billion in volume. Guys, this is really not good for the market. So what happened? We were on a bullish hot run last week, and now all of a sudden the narrative is flipping fast. Tomorrow could be one of the worst days in 2026. We have Iran just rejected all negotiations with the U.S. The peace deal is canceled, and the Strait of Hormuz is closed again. So, guys, when the market opens on Monday, this could be a stock market collapse. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Breaking, Iran has officially closed the Strait of Hormuz again. And guys, this is just getting silly at this point. Open then close, open then close. Good news, bad news, good news. I mean, the markets are just so heavily manipulated. It's insane. You know, we got peace deals, the war ending last week, and then, oh, no, the peace is off, the strait is closed, the war is escalating, and everything's dumping again. So it's really just, it's a game for the elite. It really is. But hold strong. Like I said, guys, you know, looking at the weekly, you can see we had a pretty nice weekly green candle. We wanted to see a weekly close above $1.45, and we got a weekly close at $1.39, $1.40-ish. So not exactly where we wanted to see it, but if we could fill this wick and push higher, that would be nice. But the weekly close did look pretty good. So there is hope, guys. There definitely is hope that we can continue this run up. Just like this right here, guys. You know, buy altcoins right now. The next 3 to 6 months could be life-changing. This isn't the end. This is the calm before the chaos. And guys, as you guys, let's dive into this video real quick. As you guys can see, altcoin season in 2017, a 973,000% rally. We had the alt season in 2020, up about 3,000% rally. And guys, a similar setup is happening right now in 2026, 2027. Could we potentially see another couple 1,000% move for altcoins, as it does look like we are on the support here, getting ready to move to the upside? So guys, markets are heavily manipulated. Will we go up? Will we go down? We'll have to wait and see, but it does look like we are getting ready to potentially move up. We'll wait for tomorrow, as we do have confirmations of BlackRock and insiders making massive sells. Could be a rough, bumpy week, but I do think coming in May, we should see some nice price action for XRP and the rest of the markets. I appreciate each and every one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Until next time.
Let's see what you got, LeBron. Flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, just want a piece of mind. I've been focused on the future, never on right now. But I'm sipping, I can brush